Unbelievably. Tell me it's not happening. Shiba Inu recently welcomed big players with huge bankrolls. But for every owner of a Shiba Inu, this might be their worst fear. Though most people are bullish, they are all overlooking one crucial aspect. This is one video that you simply cannot afford to miss. Thus, watch it through to the very finish. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. A new discovery in the always-changing cryptocurrency sector has shocked the Shiba Inu community. A significant event involving one of the most well-known trading platforms, Robinhood, began with a claim made by well-known Shiba Inu fanatic Lola. Known to many in the Shiba Inu world, Lola is not your average investor. Lola, who has a steadfast love for the dog-themed cryptocurrency, is now the go-to place for Shiba Inu fans looking for the newest information. The crypto community has come to trust her for her ability to identify big market swings. Regarding Robinhood's Shiba Inu ownership, Lola just tweeted a bombshell. Citing information from Arkham Intelligence, she said that in less than a day, Robinhood had remarkably grown its Shiba Inu holdings by an astounding 231 billion tokens. This quick build-up points to a very different approach for the platform. What does it imply for the Shiba Inu community, however, and more significantly, for the Bitcoin scene as a whole? Lola's assertion has sparked a lot of conjecture. The next sections will go further into the ramifications of this historic action. Lola's assertion gains legitimacy in large part from Arkham Intelligence, the information source. Accurate and fast insights have made this data analytics company a household brand in the Bitcoin industry. Lola gives her claim a basis by using Arkham Intelligence statistics, which gives one faith in the veracity of the numbers. Talking numbers now. According to Lola's research, Robinhood has Shiba Inu assets valued at over $350 million overall. Beyond just being a numerical achievement, Robinhood's large investment shows how interested the company is becoming in Shiba Inu. Notable is also Shiba Inu's ascent in Robinhood's cryptocurrency list. Now, the dog-themed cryptocurrency is the third biggest asset on the exchange, only behind the massive Ethereum and Bitcoin. This ranking change indicates that Shiba Inu is becoming more and more popular, as well as accepted and used on popular trade platforms. We analyze these advancements, and the question emerges. What would be the motivation behind Robinhood's calculated action, and how might it affect the cryptocurrency market as a whole? Now things start to become interesting. Beyond only Shiba Inu's Robinhood assets, Lola's claim goes into the platform's ownership structure. Among the institutional investors holding a startling 73% of Robinhood's shares are Vanguard, BlackRock, ARK Investment, and others. The story gains an interesting depth with this disclosure, which begs the issue of what possible impact these institutional behemoths may have on the platform's choices, including its recent large acquisition of Shiba Inu. Institutional investors are companies that oversee and invest huge sums of money on behalf of others, in case you didn't know. These organizations manage money from endowments, mutual funds, pension funds, and insurance companies rather than from individual investors. Imagine them as enormous money resources and investing decision-making gurus. Popular names like Vanguard, BlackRock, and ARK Investment are instances of institutional investors. Managing money on behalf of millions of individual investors, Vanguard, for example, is a behemoth in the investing industry. Another big participant is BlackRock, which manages enormous investment portfolios of several kinds of assets. Conversely, ARK Investment is renowned for emphasizing cutting-edge technology and upsetting trends. These organizations provide significant financial might as well as professional knowledge. It implies that these big and powerful companies have a significant impact on choices made on a site like Robinhood concerning investments and tactics. Uncovering the mechanics of financial markets and appreciating the factors at work behind big swings like the one involving Robinhood and Shiba Inu need an understanding of institution investors. The contrast between the restricted cryptocurrency options on Robinhood and this institutional ownership is one really fascinating feature. Just 15 cryptocurrencies, out of the more than 20,000 available, have made it onto Robinhood, and Shiba Inu is one of them. That leads us to a provocative question. Is this specialist list of cryptocurrencies, along with institutional ownership domination, a sign of a coming centralization? It makes us think about the possible consequences of such centralized control as we negotiate the intricate terrain of Bitcoin trading and the participation of institutional entities. Should the strategic choices taken by Robinhood's institutions indicate a larger trend in the cryptocurrency industry towards centralization? Watch closely as we examine this fascinating phenomenon from many perspectives and its potential ramifications for Shiba Inu fans as well as the broader cryptocurrency community. Recall when I said earlier that institutional investors, including giants like Vanguard, BlackRock, and ARK Investment, own 73% of Robinhood's shares. This figure, however, has more than simply passing relevance. The substantial ownership by institutional investors gives them a great deal of power over the trading platform's choices and tactics. Now let us make the connections. Perhaps Robinhood's apparently covert but significant collection of Shiba Inu, under the covert direction of these institutional behemoths, is a component of a larger covert attempt to centralize Shiba Inu. Combining decision-making and control into a small number of hands is known as centralization. These days, maybe those of institutional investors. The quiet approach. Why? Thinking about the possible effects of such a move, it makes logical. Maintaining quietness about such changes helps to prevent needless market attention and speculation. The world of cryptocurrencies may be rather volatile. Any big disclosure might cause sharp changes in the market. These institutions might want to keep some control over the story and reduce disturbances by carrying out their plan in quiet. This quiet development of events begs interesting concerns about the goals of centralizing Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu community and the larger Bitcoin environment may suffer long-term consequences from this behind-the-scenes maneuvering as we peel back the layers of this narrative. Here's something you need to know, however. Rich people and large corporations want to have a lot of control as it makes things more stable and manageable. It, in their opinion, helps to prevent unanticipated highs and down. But in the realm of cryptocurrencies, particularly Shiba Inu, individuals have different ideas. They like for things to be dispersed rather than dominated by a small number of strong individuals. It resembles having everyone have a voice and no one having excessive authority. To ensure nobody has undue authority, the Shiba Inu development team even created the Bone token. When Bone was initially introduced a long time ago, its primary objective was to support decentralization within the Shiba Inu community, in addition to its current function as a gas token on Shibarium. The Shiba Inu community is not happy with these large corporations' apparent attempts to seize a lot of power over the company. Satoshi Kusama, the creator of Shiba Inu, continuously emphasizes the need of maintaining decentralization. It follows that no one major actor should have an excessive amount of influence. It resembles an intellectual collision somewhat. Big corporations want greater control, but the Shiba Inu community, they say, wants things to remain equitable and dispersed. This disagreement could influence Shiba Inu's future course, and if it maintains the original cryptocurrency essence. What then lies ahead in this story that is still ongoing? The Shiba Inu community's support of decentralization and large corporations' possible desire for control provide the conditions for some fascinating events. Will the resiliency of the Shiba Inu and the society be sufficient to preserve its decentralized character? What effects will this tug-of-war have on the Bitcoin scene as a whole? Watch this space for the surprises that could influence Shiba Inu's future and its position in the always-changing cryptocurrency landscape as we travel this fascinating trip. The balance of centralized and decentralized forces in the cryptocurrency ecosystem may be clarified in the next chapters of this narrative. On that, however, what is your view? Post a comment here. Reading your viewpoint would be quite interesting. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.